Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about the best Canon lenses for newborn photography. As a newborn photographer, you need a lens that can capture those delicate features, soft skin, and details that parents will cherish forever. So, we've narrowed down the top 5 Canon lenses that will help you take stunning newborn photos. Our first pick is the Canon EF 50mm f1.8 STM lens. This is a versatile lens that is perfect for newborn photography. Its wide aperture of f1.8 allows you to capture soft, dreamy backgrounds while keeping your subject in focus. This lens is also very affordable and lightweight, making it a great option for photographers who are just starting out. The Canon EF 100mm f2.8L Macro ISUSM lens is an excellent choice for newborn photography because of its macro capabilities. With a 1:1 magnification ratio, this lens allows you to capture all the tiny details of a newborn, like their eyelashes, tiny toes, and fingers. The lens also has image stabilization, which helps keep your shots steady and sharp. The Canon EF 85mm f1.8 USM lens is another excellent choice for newborn photography. This lens has a wide aperture of f1.8, which allows you to capture soft, blurry backgrounds while keeping your subject in sharp focus. The 85mm focal length is also ideal for portraits and gives you a nice amount of compression, which is great for taking photos of a newborn's face. The Canon EF 35mm f1.4L2 USM lens is a great option for newborn photography, especially if you want to capture wider shots. This lens has a wide aperture of f1.4, which makes it perfect for low-light situations. It also has an ultrasonic motor that provides fast and quiet autofocus, which is great for working with newborns who might be easily disturbed. Our final pick for the best Canon lenses for newborn photography is the Canon EF 2470mm f2.8L2 USM lens. This lens is versatile and can be used for both wide-angle shots and portraits. The wide aperture of f2.8 allows for beautiful bokeh, and the lens is also very sharp, which is essential for capturing those tiny details of a newborn. So that's it, the top 5 best Canon lenses for newborn photography. Remember, the right lens can make all the difference when it comes to capturing those precious moments of a newborn's life. We hope this video helped you in your search for the perfect lens for your newborn photography. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.